Number 5, we have the Microsoft Surface Studio 2. With faster processors, amazing graphics, and great colors, this product raises your creativity. End users love this product due to the powerful Surface, NVIDIA GeForce GPU, Intel Core i7 processors, Surface Pen, SSD storage, Bluetooth Wireless 4.1 technology and wireless, Wi-Fi 800 2.11 AC. It incorporates a Surface dial that introduces different ways of accessing, customizing, storing, and reimagining physical tools. You will get a Surface ergonomic keyboard here which has a split spacebar, naturally arched shape for protecting from the hand and wrist strain. This keyboard also brings an improvement in the typing form. The Surface headphones come with an adjustable noise cancellation feature and allow you to listen to music and attain phone calls in style and comfort. Surface Prevision Mouse features a personalized design along with 3 different programmable buttons that keep you productive. You can procure patented magnetic scrolling to ensure precise control, switch between various devices. The presence of Office 365, Surface Studio 2, and a plethora of intuitive tools confer a seamless and natural flow of the ideas. The modern and clean design enhances the beauty of your working space. It is possible to tilt the model's display from upright weightlessly to the right drafting table angle. This all-in-one computer has a display touchscreen of 28 inches pixel sense. Whether you are looking forward to creating 3D graphics, running the circles around various renders, or editing amazing photographics, you can opt for this unit. It is also an excellent choice for running different software of professional grade which includes Adobe Creative Cloud, SolidWorks, Autodesk. Moving on at number 4, we have the 2020 HP 23 all-in-one desktop computer. It is a popular all-in-one computer which comprises several features such as 6-core, 8th generation Intel Core i5-8400T processor that enhances the performance. It helps in streaming the premium content. End users appreciate the product due to Intel UHD graphics 630 touch-enabled touchscreen, Micro Edge display 23.8 FHD. Due to the 16GB DDR4 RAM, it confers multitasking. Besides this, the HDD hard drive of 1 TB provides sufficient space to store the files. Some amazing connectivity features of this unit are inclusive of Bluetooth 4.2 M.2, Intel Wireless ACW LAN, HP Media Card Reader, microphone, headphone combo jack. You are also going to find an HP wired optical mouse, HP white wired keyboard along with the volume control, as you take a closed look into this model. At number 3, we have the new Apple iMac. This all-in-one computer boasts of a wide assortment of processors, phenomenal graphics as well as faster memory. Apart from this, it has a vibrant Retina display along with a 5mm thin design which enhances the aesthetic appeal of the product. While the market is filled with several brands of all-in-one computer, people prefer it over other models due to its powerful features. The dual Thunderbolt 3 ports and 4 USB 3 ports are available on this model which can connect the iPhone, printer, thumb drive. Other worth mentioning reasons why this unit has become the favorite of the end users is due to the Intel Core 9th generation, 6-core i5 processor, Magic Mouse 2, Radeon Pro 570X, 575X, or 580X graphics processor and 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. At number 2, we have the 2020 Lenovo Idea Center A340 23.8 FHD touchscreen all-in-one desktop. It contributes to being one of the first rated all-in-one computer which encompasses 8th Gen Intel Core i3-8100T processor. After digging more about this product, we came to know that it has an integrated Intel UHD graphics 630 and multi-touch IPS FHD display. As it comprises of DDR4-2666 16GB SDRAM memory, it facilitates multitasking. Hence, it is believed to be an excellent choice for avid gamers. It has storage of 1 TB PCIe SSD, which helps in saving files faster and storing more data. Due to the advanced communication power and massive storage power, it is considered to be an ideal choice for multiple servers, major gaming apps, everyday backups. Other accessories that come with this model are combo mic, headphones jack, RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet, Bluetooth 4.0, 802.11 AC, an external hard drive of 500 GB, mouse, and keyboard, Windows 10 Home, DVD-RW multi-burner. And finally at number 1, we have the HP Envy 32 all-in-one computer. With a monitor of 31.5 inches, 16 GB RAM, Intel R processor, you can get an impressive performance during a video and photo editing. Hence, you can experience improved multitasking by selecting this unit. Due to the 600 nits peak brightness, 6000 to 1 contrast ratio, wide color gamut along with HDR600, integrated 4K monitor, DCI-P3 at 10-bit, and 98% color channel, you can edit and view the creative projects. It is possible to watch videos with accurate and crisp color as you select this model. Other primary reasons why users love this unit is because it comes with NVIDIA R, GeForce R, GTX 1650 graphics, 9th generation Intel R Core TM i7 9700 processor, USB Nightfall black wireless mouse, and keyboard combo, all new NVIDIA R Turing TM architecture that confers power-efficient, smooth and faster experience as you try to stream and create content. Again, it possesses DDR4-2666 SDRAM of 16 GB, PCIe R NVMe TM M.2 solid-state drive of 1 TB that helps to play games. The DDR4 RAM provides a boost in performance, as it runs reliably and